So there's no sign of moisture. I hope you can see it's very dry. Very dry, as you can see. Very nice. And this is what keeps the network, the signal to be always up. The proper naming, proper cabling management, as you can see. No guesswork when you're trying to get different type of satellites. Yeah. As you can see. Good morning. Hello everyone. As you can see, all these are my desk. You have the main one here. There's the main one here. This one here, the main one. This one here. The Eurostar for the 8x1 8 ports. Then you have the first desk, then the second one, then the seventh one. So don't be confused by the naming, as you can see, because these numbers derives it's this number is derived from this port number here, this port number 1 here, this one here, and then B1 from the main 8x1 switch, and the rest are 4x1. We have the Eurostar, we have the Star Gold, the second Star Gold. This, in fact, this you can actually see there's a difference between the Star Gold made in China and the Star Gold made in Korea. You can spot the difference. You can see the Star Gold, the names are engraved, the word Star Gold, whereas the China, made in China, it's not engraved as this one. So this is made in Korea, yeah, made in Korea. This one is made in China. All of them are 4x1. There's a 2.0 switch that we're going to use here. And this one is the Eurostar. There's a 8 in 1. As you can see there. So now okay, now you might be confused why that I've named this desk 1, this desk 2, and this one desk 7. For instance, if you start with desk 7, the reason why I've named it 7 because it tunnels, or it gets its receiving transmission from port 7. That is when you go to this main. It's because remember, you can be able to share. You can be able to share 8x1 switch to almost 64 using the cascading method, which I've used here. So port 7 here is what carries desk 7 here. So which means if I had to disconnect port 7 here, so there'll be no signals on these satellites. On this satellite, which is 7 west, 4 west, you can see there, 4 west, 7 west. Yes, There will be no transmission. There will be no any receiving picture when I go to my decoder. So that's why it derives its naming from there. Whereas the port 2, you guessed it right, takes its tunneling from port 2. Port 2 is here. So if I happen to disconnect port 2, this one here, if I happen to disconnect port 2, you won't be able to receive these satellites, which I have already done the cable management. As you can see, this is a 5. This is 5A. You can see this is SCS 5E, and we have also we have the RASCOM 2.8, and also the 7E. So if I happen to disconnect that port 2, you won't be able to get any signal from this DESEC. So I hope you get it now. Yes. So that's it. So you can see the proper cable management done here nicely, and I think this one was done around 1 month ago, and you can see it hasn't the naming hasn't been affected as such. You can see there's a good cable, so no more guesswork. No more guesswork when you're trying to get a particular signal. When you want to troubleshoot, there will be no more guesswork. Yes. So kindly comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any kind of network cabling, we are always on call. You can be able to just write a comment and be able to sort you out in regards to cable management. Brilliant network there. The signal is always uptime. Thank you.